Hello everyone, now we are going to solve one more question of NEET 2025. So what is the question? Let us see. An unpolarized light beam traveling in air is incident on a medium of refractive index 1.73 at Brewster angle. Then which option is correct here? Okay, so let us see how we can solve this question. So as we know that if there is a medium of mu, that is 1.73, and let here it is air. Okay, so this is the medium here. Okay, and as we know that this is incident ray, and if the reflected ray is at an angle of Brewster angle as according to the question. Okay, so we can say that this angle also will be IB. ठीक बात है। और ये जो रिफ्रैक्टेड रे है, ये रिफ्लेक्टेड और ये रिफ्रैक्टेड. Okay, so as we know that if the angle of refraction is IB, it means Brewster angle. In that case, reflected ray and refracted ray both will be perpendicular to each other, that we know. Okay, so as we know that tan IB that is equal to mu, ये बात आपको यहाँ पर पता होनी चाहिए. हम चाहे तो इसका डेरिवेशन भी यहाँ पर कर सकते हैं. ओके, अगर आप नहीं जानते हो तो इसका डेरिवेशन भी आप लोग यहाँ पर बहुत आसानी के साथ कर सकते हैं. कैसे करते हैं? देखिए, स्नेल्स लॉ का यूज़ हम लोग यहाँ पर अगर करें तो यहाँ पर हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि साइन IB, ठीक है, म्यू का वैल्यू एयर के लिए 1 है, और यहाँ पर ये अगर IB है और ये है 90 डिग्री. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन से दैट दिस एंगल विल बी 90 माइनस IB. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट आर एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन दैट इज साइन 90 minus IB. Okay, and here it is mu. So we can say that it will be sin IB, that will be cos IB, sin upon cos, so that will be tan IB. Thus we get this equation or formula. Okay, so from here now let us see what is the value of mu, that is 1.73. So from here tan IB that is 1.73, which is nearly root 3, and as we know that tan IB is equal to root 3, so IB that will be 60 degree. So Brewster angle that will be 60 degree, and as we know that the reflected ray that will be completely polarized. Okay, so let us see. In option 1 it is given that reflected light is completely polarized, correct, and the angle of reflection is close to 60 degree. Yes, it is right. Reflected ray is partially polarized. No, it is completely polarized. Okay, and angle of reflection is 30. No, it will be 60 degree. In third option, both reflected and transmitted light are perfectly polarized. No, only reflected light will be polarized, and angle of reflection and refraction close to 60 and 30 respectively. Okay, it may or may not be right, but the first statement that is wrong, so we can say that this is also wrong, that was wrong. And here transmitted light is completely polarized with angle of refraction close to 30. No. Okay, so we can say that only option 1 is correct. So that is our right answer. I hope you got it. Thank you very much.